Hey YouTube, this is Andrew here. I'm going to do a video on how to escape handcuffs. I know that's pretty popular on YouTube right now. I see a lot of people doing that kind of shit. The little downside to this video is that I do not have a real, like, proper Smith Wesson, let's say, set of handcuffs. I have that novelty shit, right, for lovers in the bedroom. It still has the same system, still has a ratcheting system. These are my handcuffs. As you can see, they have the little release locks there. I won't be using that to escape these handcuffs today. I will be using a simple safety pin. You should use a bobby pin, it's recommended, but I'm going to be using a safety pin, and we'll see how it goes. I'm most likely going to invest in a pair of Smith Wesson handcuffs there. Shipping is not too long, so you won't have to wait very long for that video. But in the meantime, let's get started. Alright, so like I said, I will not be using the release locks to escape.
And unity. Now just go for it.
There we go. Ta-da! We are out of the cuffs, as you can see. I was handcuffed, and now cuffs are here now. That is my video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully on my next video I will have a professional Smith & Wesson set for you. But until then, we'll have to make do. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Want to leave a comment? Can rate it, tell me what you think, and give me any tips if you like. You know, if there's a certain way about a handcuff, or if you want to suggest another way for me to get out of handcuffs. But yeah, give me some tips on what kind of positions to get out of them. You know, behind my back, key holes towards me, away from me, stuff like that, etc. And all that kind of bullshit. But until then, peace. Take it easy. See you later. Andrew out.